If slugs are eating your plants, here are 4 ways that I protect my precious babies. Nematodes.
Simply add them to water and apply to the area, and they will enter the slugs and unalive them.
Copper.
Slugs avoid copper because it reacts with their slime to create a small electric shock.
Envy, feed and protect.
This slightly alters the taste of the plant so that slugs look for their food elsewhere. So this protects your plants without harming anything.
And slate.
Slugs do not like the rough feel of slate. Let me know which one of these is your favourite deterrent for slugs, and make sure you're following along for more gardening tips.